This video will walk through how to configure AutoScaler for a Kubernetes cluster. So first, you just select the Kubernetes cluster type, add a new cluster. Then you select the region and the auto-scaling group name associated with your Kubernetes cluster. I'm going to use the nodes one because these are the worker nodes of the Kubernetes cluster. Then, just like before, you select the instance types. And just like in the ECS case, it's good to add in some memory and CPU efficient instance types so that it can pick from those. Select your maximum spot parameters in one market and across all markets. Specify the CPU spare capacity and memory spare capacity you want for your cluster. And let's rename this. So in order for AutoScaler to handle the scaling decisions, you need to add these permissions to the IAM policy for the nodes because it actually runs as a pod inside the cluster. So you can click here and it should pull up the IAM console for that role. Then we copy this and we add it to this policy. Then we go to the next step, which is the deployment step. So the first thing is you select what Kubernetes version you're running. This one is running 1.10. Then you download this generated deployment file. Then you simply deploy that YAML file using kubectl. And that's it. You've now configured AutoScaler to manage that Kubernetes cluster for you. So after letting this run for a period of time, we can see that we're now generating aggregate 40% savings. And of the applications that are managed by AutoScaler, it's actually 63%. So we're achieving more and more of the savings opportunity over time.